We were incredibly lucky a few weeks ago to be able to go and visit also Fuchs and see the second batch of forgings taking place. And this is unique access, so we're really grateful to the team at Otto Fuchs for letting us in to see this firsthand.
For more than 50 years, Otto Fuchs technology covers forged aluminium wheels for automotive, aerospace, trucks and railway applications. The new aluminium alloy 7037 has been developed to the highest requirements of our aerospace customers. We believe that 7037 is the best answer to the Bloodhound challenge.
And why do we forge that cast material? Well, the cast material is still perfectly good material and has properties to a certain point, but as the liquid aluminium cools, you get a crystalline structure form, little dendrites, almost like little Christmas trees, and tiny voids as well between the Christmas trees. What we're doing when we forge the wheels, but we've squashed all the dendrites, we've squeezed out all the voids, and we've created this really tightly packed crystalline structure that's even stronger than just a cast structure. And that extra strength we need to make sure that the wheels can survive at the high Gs and high RPMs. For me personally, the wheels and wheel delivery was one of the first components I was asked to find a route to. It was great to see this key component underway and reach a really mature stage. Now we can look forwards to seeing the wheels machined and the actual desert wheel come to life.